right. Thank you so much, Elijah. Highly appreciated, my good friend. What did I do for a living before I became a trader? I've been a butcher, a baker, and a candlestick maker. But actually, my job right prior to becoming a full-time trader, I was a supervisor at a HVAC manufacturing company, an international HVAC manufacturing company. Had actually quite a nice position, very good benefits, quite a high rate of pay. Managed multiple production lines. Prior to that, I was an entrepreneur. I actually left the world of entrepreneurship to actually take this job and did that for quite a while, worked at the HVAC company. My first company I started in college was actually dealing in organic vegetables. So I've done quite a lot of things, but I've been fascinated with investment and statistics and trading since I was very young. And it's a passion that I've carried through for my entire life. And then at some point in time, I just decided, I traded on the side, for a very long period of time and was profitable in it. And would race home from work to trade and would do quite well with it. And, went through all the steps of developing the way that I wanted to trade. And then I knew that I was consistent. When I knew I was consistently profitable and I actually had the results to show it, luckily I had a good friend who helped me lily pad out of my full-time job and into the full-time job of trading. And it was absolutely terrifying, but I did, and I haven't looked back since, and I'm very glad. And that person knows who he is, and I'm eternally grateful for you for helping me through that. That was a difficult period in my life. And for that reason, I think that trading is can be one of the most stressful jobs out there, especially if you don't know what you're doing. But then if you don't know what you're doing, you have other problems beyond the emotional strain. You definitely need a good support team, community to talk, to share your feelings, because oftentimes the things that we need to talk about as traders is not, hey man, is your signal good or bad? Or, what's this indicator say? Or, am I back testing right? Often the most important things for a trader are going to be, dude, I just need to talk to somebody right now. I just had a good trade and I need to, make sure that I'm not going to take over risk, or I just had a bad trade and I feel like jumping out the window. You need support, man. You need support. And if you have that kind of baseline level of emotional and psychological support, I think you can do quite well, man.